Okay, maybe it's a little orange. Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I got this Belle inspired hair and makeup. So if you want to know how I did this, then just keep watching. So to start this look off, we're going to use primer, and I always use this primer. This is the Ordinary, oh, I tied this top too tight, High Adherence Silicone Primer, just to get a nice smooth base, because Belle does mean beauty, and again, like with Rapunzel, she is a cartoon, so her skin is really smooth, unlike mine right now. I'm just going to blend this in, get my hair out of the way. Right, I'm just going to tie my hair out of the way. There we go. We look awful, but it's fine. We're gonna colour correct under the eyes using my usual Urban Decay Naked Skin colour corrector. If you have any suggestions of any cheaper colour correctors, I can definitely try them and see if they work better, so that it's in, what am I doing? Better price range for you guys. I'm just gonna pop this under the eyes because she's a cartoon. She does not have eye bags. She's well rested. Just gonna blend it in using my beauty blender. I pull the weirdest faces when I'm blending. Beautiful. So now to get her beautiful skin, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 150, so it might be a little bit dark for me, but we're just going to go with it because I find that this is one of the foundations that gives me a nice, ouch, finish. And I always use the Revolution one, and I'm boring myself by using it. This is so dirty. Oops. You do need quite a bit of this foundation though. That doesn't look that orange in person, but it looks so orange on camera. We're just going to go with it because it doesn't look bad off camera. Okay, maybe it's a little orange. Let's try lighten parts of it up with the Urban Decay concealer. I think I need to invest in this foundation in my shade. Oh my gosh, I look adorable right now. I'm gonna use, that's my hair, the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and just powder all over, I guess. So, beside the fact it doesn't match on camera, does anyone else get really annoyed I just need to set that. 1 second. Anyone else get really annoyed when you have nowhere to go and your makeup base actually looks smooth and nice for once? Like, the whole time this lockdown has been going on, I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula just to add some shape. The whole time we've been in this lockdown, my base makeup could not have looked better. You can guarantee as soon as I try to go out of the house and do my makeup, it's going to look awful. So I'm going to use the Adeline Morin palette by Tarte, This is the Iron Cheek palette, and I'm going to add blush using this blush, which is I Feel Beautiful. And I put loads on my brush then. I'm going to apply this to the cheeks. So the princesses don't necessarily have highlighter, but this is an inspired modern look. So I'm going to take the highlighter from this palette and just dab a little bit on the cheeks and on the nose to give the cute little princess button nose effect. Cute. And then keeping with the palette, I'm going to take the shade Mama Morin and lightly dust it in the crease. And I'm going to take a teeny bit of Girls Supporting Girls, which is yellow, and pop it in the inner corner for a pop of colour. Next we're going to do brows. Just like my Rapunzel one, I'm just filling mine in as I normally would, but I'm using a slightly darker pencil today. I'm using the shade 4 from Benefit. But you can by all means copy her eyebrow shape. It just doesn't fit with my face shape because hers are really thin, and it's not an exact princess look, it's just an inspired modern version. Eyeliner. I'm just going to add a wing on either side just to mimic her like almond cat eye shape thing, because they don't actually have lashes, they all sort of just have like a winged liner. I don't know, we're going to do it for Belle, we can do a wing liner. Mascara. Today I'm going to try using the Benefit Their Real Mascara. And lastly, to finish the makeup off, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Catherine. And that is the makeup portion of this look done. Let's move on to the hair. So I'm going to start by taking my hair out of the bubble. I'm going to part it in the middle and leave my fringe parts out. I'm going to leave, like where my ear is, and section that straight down as well. So after I section these pieces, I'm just going to go straight round with the hair at the back to create a half up style. And I'm going to just add these cute little flowers. And then to add the finishing touches, I'm going to curl the leftover hair. This is the Mulane interchangeable wand, curling wand, and it takes a bit to heat up, but while it's heating up I'm just going to split it in half. I'm going to start by taking big-ish sections and I'm just going to curl the ends. On this piece I'm going to curl from the top, and it has like the fringe piece inside it too. And then I'm going to do the other side. Then I'm going to bring it all back down to the front and sort of just run my fingers through it. And that is my finished Belle inspired hair and makeup. I mean, that could be stuck in a bit better. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below who your favourite Disney princess is and who you would like to see me do next. Yeah, don't forget to follow all of my social media, which will be at the beginning. I now have Snapchat. I always had Snapchat, but it was just a personal one, so now I've made one for you guys to communicate with me on it, and I'm more than happy for you guys to do so. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. It means a lot. Love you, bye.
That's the West Wing.
Nice going.
I wonder what he's hiding up there.
Hiding? The master is hiding nothing.
Then it wouldn't be forbidden.